The bishop's mitre. Fold the top half down to the bottom, smoothing it flat. Fold the top right corner down to meet the center point of the bottom edge. Fold the bottom left corner up to meet the center point of the fold. Flip the napkin over while rotating a quarter turn to the left. Bring the bottom fold up to meet the top edge. Lift the point out from underneath. Fold the left point into the center and tuck it under the fold. Flip the napkin over. Fold the right point into the center and tuck it under the fold. Put your hands inside the pocket and open up the hat while standing it up.